What's good, y'all? It's your boy back with another video. Hey man, so today I got an absolute gem. I'm so happy. Woke up, I got this sent to my dad. Shout out my dad. But we're gonna be reviewing this. I haven't read it yet, so yeah. So I'm gonna just read the title. Crypto startup raises 12 million to build on Ethereum. Algorand. I love to see Ethereum and Algorand in the same thing on Decrypt.co. So let's jump into it. Reach, a blockchain development platform, is designed to simplify the creation of decentralized dApps, announced today that it has raised 12 million in funding to expand its offering and launch a commercial version of their toolkit. So this is insane. Reach has connections with Algo, and they have raised $12 million just to simplify it for you guys. So that is nuts. They've raised 12 million on a startup. So I don't think I've even seen that. The platform currently supports development of dApps for both Ethereum and Algorand, although Reach's announcements suggested growing a pool of partner protocols. Reach likens to its platform to launch on Apple's iOS for mobile apps, suggesting that it will make easier for developers to design and launch their own blockchain powers and services. So they're basically comparing that Ethereum and Algorand are also trying to integrate dApps into their coin, and because these two are some really cool coins. I don't know if you guys, I'm sure you guys know Ethereum, but you guys might not know Algorand. It's kind of an underdog. And it's super quick. I love to use it when I transfer through different wallets. But yeah, this is going to be a sick collaboration if it does happen. According to Reach, the 12 million funding values the company at 48 million, although the press release does not state who led or participated in the round. A representative for Reach declined the name of the investors when they asked by Decrypt. Firm was previously a recipient of Algorand Foundation grant. So basically, they got 12 million in funding, which is pretty much 12 million invested over probably, a couple of millionaires, joined in to make a sick deal on this, because they know smart contracts are going to be a big thing once they do release. And that's smart that they're not giving out the names, because there's going to be a lot of clout chasers, But anyways, founded in late 2019, Reach now claims to have 1,000 developers building on the platform, which this far has produced decentralized games, auctions, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, crypto collectible projects, but not commercial level products. So basically, they've already built dApps, auctions, NFTs. So all these big things that, you're seeing nowadays. There's NFTs going for like millions. I don't know if you guys saw that Kobe one. I think it went for $1 million. I was looking at some other one on CryptoPunks, and that one also went for like 7 million. So people do, they're invested, but I feel like the market's small because they spend big. So yeah. So Reach plans to use funding in its part to create commercial version of its platform of enterprise grade smart contracts. Love to see that. Industrial jargon for computer code to use and run decentralized applications to handle larger volumes of transactions as well as higher assets. The firm also intends to build a further feature into the platform, expand its team, develop further instructional materials, pursue potential developers and acquisitions. So they're already looking to use commercial smart contracts, which that's gonna be crazy for lawyers. If you guys have watched some of my old videos of bird dogging wholesale real estate with purchase and sale agreements, all of those contracts and stuff. So this is crazy because smart contracts are going to be a big thing once they start releasing out, and they're basically asking to build a huge community, I guess you could call it, and they're gonna attack at this because they gotta if they already got links with Ethereum, one of the biggest, blockchain holders, mother of all altcoins, whatever you want to call it, like, this is crazy stuff for them. Ethereum is leading smart contract platform for decentralized app development, although its network suggested congestion and high gas fees, which is true. Ethereum gas fees are annoying. I don't know if you guys have any experience with Ethereum's gas fees or transaction fees, but they're very high, and usually you got to be sending like a couple Ethereum to a wallet to kind of be okay to sustain that wound from the gas fee. So that was it. But the variable cost of making transaction on the network, which that's just explaining what a gas fee is, has pushed some developers to look at competing blockchain platforms or adopt layer 2 scaling solutions on top of Ethereum. They should have put Ethereum 2 in that, because Ethereum 2 is going to be the solution to high gas fees, power, because there's going to be proof of stake when you mine, so there's going to be a lot of circulation going out pretty quickly than the regular Ethereum. And Ethereum also could be a 20k coin easy once they start shooting out some smart contracts and whatnot. Like, they're going to be a big part of mainstream payment, while Bitcoin's still going to be on top. But I mean, one Bitcoin 70,000 and an Ethereum is 3,000, so like the difference, well, it's actually 50,000, but the price gap, like, you can't really work with that. Like, your $200 trying to invest into Bitcoin is not going to grow when it hits all-time highs, but if you put 200 in Ethereum, you might double your money. So there's still time to grow for Ethereum, and they're basically saying here, that's pretty much what they're saying. So Ethereum is in the process of transitioning from the current energy intensive proof of work model to a more efficient proof of stake model called Ethereum 2.0. So basically just repeating what I said, the Ethereum proof of stake and how energy efficient it is. So sounds dope. Anyways, Algorand, meanwhile, built from the ground up as a proof-of-stake blockchain designed around a dual-layer architecture, providing fast transactions and comparatively low fees compared to Ethereum. However, Ethereum's market cap is dramatically larger, almost 58 times larger than Ethereum's cap of the writing. So basically, what they're saying is, Algorand built from the bottom up. They already have proof of stake, a dual layer architecture, fast transactions, low fees. So it's literally a better Ethereum. However, the market cap is 58 times lower. But that they also have to take and consider that Algorand was built around 2019 or like late 2019. So they haven't had that many years in the actual blockchain, and their gains are crazy for how far they've come, right? Like, from the ground up. Ethereum, everyone knows Ethereum, so they're gonna have a successful coin or successful project, right? So I don't know who wrote this, but that's not really like logical, because Algorand has time to grow, and it could be like Ethereum because it has fast sending, proof of stake, huge connections with blockchain. I mean, they're connected with Ethereum here, so I mean, I could see this coin now hit upwards to $15, $12, $20. That's just my prediction once they start shooting out smart contracts, which is going to be a big thing, like I said. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I mean, that's it for this article. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm coming back. I had a little break. Just had to refresh, and I had a little vacation, so I'm sorry for that, but hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button, comment down below. I'm back on my grind, and peace.